The curve C has equation this, that x and x doesn't equal 2. Find the coordinates of the stationary points on C and determine the nature of each of these stationary points. So part A then, here dy dx then, is equal to, differentiate, then x goes to 1, 4 lots of 1 is 4. Constant goes to 0. This is something to the minus 1, isn't it? So it's minus 25 times something to the minus 2, using the function of a function rule, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 1. Okay, so it was minus 1 on our mind side, that came here, up to the minus 2, so to speak, to the 2, that's it, which is power minus 2, equals 0. So that tells us then that move the 25 over x minus 2 squared is equal to 4. And that tells us that x minus 2 squared then is equal to, so I've moved this up there and I've moved the 4 down. I've written it down from right to left. Square root both sides then. It's equal to plus or minus the square root of this will be the square root of the top, divided by the square root of the bottom. So x is equal to, so if we move the 2 over, 2 plus 2.5 is 4.5, which is 9 over 2. Or move the 2 over, 2 minus 2.5 is minus 1/2. So there's the x coordinates. So when x is equal to 9 over 2, y is equal to, so what is it? It's 4x plus 8 plus 25 over x minus 2. 4x plus 8 minus 25 over, or is it plus 25? Plus 25 over x minus 2. 2.5, 4.5, take 2 is 2.5, which is 5 over 2. So we end up with then equals twos cancel. 18 plus 8 is 26. The 2 swings up to the top, the 5 will cancel, and then the 2 swings up to be with the 5 to make 10. 36. So 9 over 2 then and 36 is one answer. When x is equal to minus 1/2, y is equal to 4x plus 8 plus 25, wasn't it, over x minus 2. Let's have a look here. 25 over x minus 2. Minus 1/2 minus 2 is minus 5 over 2. So this is equal to then minus 2 here, plus 8. 5 will go into the 25 5 times. There's a minus here. And 2 5s are 10. So that's equal to then minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12, plus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4, so minus 1/2. Minus 4 is the other turning point. So we've done the coordinates of the stationary points. Determine the nature of each of these stationary points then. So we need the second derivative. Is the first derivative 4 minus 25. 4 minus 25 over x minus 2 squared here for dy dx. So y double dash then, the second derivative, this goes to 0. This is something to the minus 2. The minus 2 comes here. We get plus 2 25s are 50 over x minus 2 cubed multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 1. So that equals then, when x equals minus 1/2 and 9 over 2, So x equals 9 over 2, x equals minus 1/2. So put them in, 50. And then you've got 9 over 2 is minus 4 over 2 is 5 over 2 cubed, which is positive. So a min. And the second derivative here, minus 1/2 in here, it's 50 over minus 5 over 2. Minus 1/2 minus 2 is minus 5 over 2 cubed. That will be negative. So a max. Okay, so that's what we've got then. The nature of these stationary points. So minus 1/2, minus 1/2. So here, minus 4. That point, when x is minus 1/2, is a maximum. Whilst the point 9 over 236 is a minimum.